Everyone. I just discovered something, and if you're looking at the title of this video, you came here for a specific reason, so I won't go into detail about what GraphQL is and what Prisma is and whatnot. I figured you made it this far because you are kind of like me. You found yourself duplicating your data model for Prisma and then also your TypeDEF for GraphQL when using Node. So give you forewarning before you jump down in the comments and say, dude, that's a weird idea. This is a little bit of a hack, and who knows, maybe this is resolved in Prisma V2, but as of right now, it just drove me absolutely nuts. So I had to figure out a way that I didn't have to retype all of the type defs that I was doing in my data model versus what I needed for my schema in GraphQL. So one of the biggest problems that you have is why you can't just kind of copy and paste is because with the Prisma data model, you get a lot of extra directives and whatnot that just don't work in your schema. Like, it's not going to know what unique is, it's not going to know what relation is, it's just not going to know well, actually I think it's going to know what unique is, but it's not going to know a lot of these things, which is not good. And it'll throw up and it just won't work. Okay. And plus it's copy and paste still. I mean, even though it helps with rekeying, it's still copy and paste. So what I did was a little bit of a way to kind of put the two together. Okay. So you can see here, this has, you have to kind of reinvent the wheel here. And perhaps you'll still need to do your inputs, but at least as far as the data model is concerned, it is all, you don't want to have to rekey it. So what I did in my project, let me switch over to my project. That's just an example project there. What I did, and I'm just going to show you the code. Okay. What I did was I used the file system object. I brought in my schema file. I brought in my Prisma file. Okay. I turned them into strings, and then what I did was just get rid of the garbage inside of the Prisma file that just won't work. Now, once I got down to this level, you'll see whatever relation you have set up, you'll have to do your own and keep replacing things until it looks good. And then here I'm kind of console logging it to make sure that my schema does look good and whatnot. And it went all the way through. You can see this is my schema down here, and this is actually fantastic. I can create still anything I want in addition, and it'll just append it to the bottom, just as long as I don't duplicate. So I figured that out. So again, here's the code right here. No, I'm not going to put this on GitHub, so don't ask me. You can take a screenshot of that, but basically it was use the file system, put them together in one big long string, and then replace out the garbage that you don't need. So a pretty safe hack, in my opinion, to get so that you don't have to keep rekeying information for getting Node and Prisma to work together. Hopefully that helps somebody. Bye.